Introducing the 4K Pan and Tilt Wi-Fi camera with solar panel from Swann. Protect what matters most effortlessly. Introducing the Pan and Tilt 4K wireless camera, your solution for smart, reliable, and hassle-free surveillance. Set up in minutes. No wires, no hub, no hassle. Just connect the included solar panel and you're ready to go. With wireless freedom, you can mount your camera anywhere, ensuring surveillance where you need it most. Experience complete coverage with advanced pan, tilt, and auto tracking. The camera follows movement seamlessly, ensuring nothing escapes its watchful eye. Remotely control your camera's coverage angle and area with the Swann Security app. Whether you're at home or away, you're always in control. Stay ahead of threats with smart alerts, security lights, and a built-in siren. True Detect sensors ensure accurate alerts for heat, motion, people, and vehicles, so you only get notified when it matters. Powered by the sun, just 45 minutes of charging delivers a full day's power. Enjoy uninterrupted vigilance, rain or shine, with our all-weather IP66 rated design. Capture every detail in crisp 4K resolution. With color night vision, see up to 65 feet or 20 meters, even in total darkness. Store your recordings locally on a 32GB micro SD card or opt for optional cloud backup, all with no subscription fees. Your security, your way. With the Pan and Tilt 4K wireless camera, enjoy peace of mind like never before. Smart, solar-powered, and always on guard, because your security deserves nothing less. It's security you can trust from Swann.